Hello friends, now we see the problem number 3, which is also based on first principle of derivative of chapter derivative. The problem number 3 is fx is equal to x minus 1 upon 2x plus 7. And here we have to find f dash x by using first principle of derivative. Now let's see the solution. First of all, we start with fx is equal to x minus 1 upon 2x plus 7. The next step is f of x plus h, that equal to x plus h minus 1 upon 2 bracket x plus h bracket complete plus 7, that equal to x plus h minus 1 upon, in the denominator we get 2x plus 2h plus 7. Then by first principle of derivative, f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus fx whole thing divided by h. So is equal to limit h tends to 0. Now for f of x plus h, we substitute value that x plus h minus 1 upon 2x plus 2h plus 7, then minus fx, we have to substitute x minus 1 upon 2x plus 7 and whole thing divided by h, that equal to limit h tends to 0. Now here we have to cross multiply in the numerator, so we get 2x plus 7 into x plus h minus 1 minus x minus 1 into 2x plus 2h plus 7 and whole thing divided by 2x plus 2h plus 7 into 2x plus 7 into h. So the next step will be limit h tends to 0. Now here we have to simplify the brackets in the numerator. So on simplifying we get 2x into x, that is 2x square, plus 2x into h, 2xh, 2x into minus 1 minus 2x. Now 7 into x plus 7x, 7 into h plus 7h, 7 into minus 1, that minus 7. Then minus, in second bracket, x into 2x, so that gives 2x square, x into 2h plus 2xh plus x into 7, we get 7x. Now minus 1 into 2x, we have minus 2x, minus 1 into 2h, minus 2h, and minus 1 into plus 7, that is minus 7, and then bracket complete. Then the whole thing divided by 2x plus 2h plus 7 in one bracket, 2x plus 7 in second bracket, and then finally into h. On simplifying the brackets, we have next step is limit h tends to 0, 2x square plus 2xh minus 2x. The next term is plus 7x plus 7h minus 7. That first bracket we write as it is. And then minus 2x square, then minus 2xh minus 7x plus 2x plus 2h and finally plus 7, then whole thing divided by 2x plus 2h plus 7 into 2x plus 7 into h, that equal to limit h tends to 0. Now here plus 2x square minus 2x square, then plus 2xh minus 2xh minus 2x plus 2x plus 7 minus 7 minus 7 plus 7. So we left with limit h tends to 0, here 7h plus 2h, that is total 9h in the numerator upon 2x plus 2h plus 7 into 2x plus 7 into h. So that equal to, now here we cancel h from numerator and denominator. So the next step is limit h tends to 0, 9 upon 2x plus 2h plus 7 into 2x plus 7, stating the reason that since h tends to 0 and therefore h not equal to 0, it means we cancel h from numerator and denominator. Now substituting the limit as h tends to 0, we have 9 upon 2x plus 2 into 0 plus 7 into 2x plus 7. So that equal to 9 upon, now 2x plus 2 into 0 gives 0 plus 7 we write as it is in the first bracket, and in the second bracket 2x plus 7 we write as it is. On further simplifying, finally we get 9 upon 2x plus 7 into 2x plus 7, that is 2x plus 7 the whole square, and therefore f dash x is equal to 9 upon 2x plus 7 the whole square. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.